guys, here you can see first day after the show, all of my meals are ready. Rice, beef, you can see oats here with cinnamon buns, and also 2 big patties with eggs and cheese. And now you're gonna see my dinner meal that I had in a few. So basically this is potato balls with beef and rice. One day after the show, guys, I'm still cooking the meat, rice. I'm gonna cook it in a few. This is beef prepping for tomorrow for work. Nowadays off. If you wanna bring the body to the next level, you gotta continue all year round. Basically here is the for around 4 meals. Then I have the chicken. You can see there all of the boxes are prepping. My sweet potato. This is potato balls from my mom. She's cooking a special way. Chicken, like I said, and yeah, of course the rice. So that being said, okay, so this is my form, literally like the second day after the show. I'm building some stuff here, explaining what I have eaten and how I feel, etc. So basically, as expected, I had a few meals that I was really craving for. But yeah, so far this is my form. 2 days post show, more veiny, way fuller. I like this shape of my body, so I will cut hair now and let you enjoy, if you enjoy what you see. Like I said, guys, no jokes, every day prepping meals, because I'm gonna put that muscle mass that I need and bring it to next year better. So here I have 250 grams of rice with around 140-50 beef balls. One meal I have my sweet potato with again beef and piece of tomato, chicken and rice again. Here we have these are normal potato balls with beef again. This is the breakfast, 2 toasts with eggs, Bulgarian yellow cheese and my oats, big jug for water. Boom, this is how we're going to continue doing it. Until next time. It's simple, guys. Whole eggs, burger patty, carbs, and Bulgarian yellow cheese. Bulgarian yellow cheese is one of the best cheeses, cheese that you can afford for your body. Full of nutrients and also really low in calories, like 220 calories per 100 gram of product. I'm not putting more than 50-60 grams. I have my meals, like I said here, the oats. Cool. Let's put it down. There is no difference, guys. As you can see, here is the day like I felt a little bit too bloated, so I decided to lower the carbs. As you can see, I have just sauce wheat, and for the breakfast, high calories and carbs. That's it. And we are back on track with sweet potato and cinnamon. I'm gonna combine with beef and tomatoes. Here I have another portion of beef and cucumbers, chickens, sausages I believe, and my breakfast full of carbs and proteins. This is the way I love it, guys. So yeah, this is the whole picture of what is coming up for the day of eating. And again, updating video of my body and how I look like. This is like 5 days after the show, so getting fuller and fuller and fuller. So all of this carb that I'm eating, basically the kind of definition on the quads is slightly off, but I like my shape because I feel really full and big. At this point I was around 88, 89 kgs, wasn't training at all, just putting the meals down. So after this day I think I introduced back the workouts. No secrets, guys, like I said, we need to do what we have to do in order to get the muscles and be better ready for the next show. So as you can see, again, I'm slightly reducing the carbs just because I feel really full. And then the next day's preparation, you can see carbs are again introduced. This is literally my first week. My coach said enjoy some food. I was having some sweets at the evenings with my family. So yeah, I was playing around just to keep my body in shape, in tone, not like over fat and feeling like bloated and bad. So with that being said, AlishFitness out, guys. See you soon with the next video about my meals. Peace.